I think I played a good match. I won the first set, but I was 5-2 and serving new balls, so I won 7-6, and I couldn't I could be better. But I start good. The second set, I went 3-love, and then Stago started to play really well. So I think I didn't serve so good in the second and the third set, and he started to play well, and he started to move me, and was tough. I fought my every single point, but this time didn't go the best way I hope. Here the conditions are really slow, so it's not so difficult to break. So maybe in the first set I didn't put so much attention on that game when I was serving. But then I think was really tough because he was starting to play like more aggressive, and when I went in defense, I'm not so good. I prefer to play in attack. So that's tennis. I was 5-1 down in the third. I went 5-3. That's tennis. This is the beautiful thing. But now I have to think about the next tournaments.
And tell me more about this. I mean, I imagine you are a bit disappointed, but you're 140 now in the world next week. That's after where you were a year ago. Brilliant.
No, that's brilliant. If I think about it, that's really, really good for me. I'm really happy. But when you are a tennis player, you cannot stop it and thinking about the ranking position of the results. You have to push. You have to work hard and try to improve yourself, because the other players are not waiting for you. So you have to fight every single day. You have to work, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm happy for this, because all my work, all my practices are here in this court, in these matches. So I'm happy for this. No pressure, no, because if someone told you like you are a brilliant future in front of you, I think it's nice, no? So you have just to work. You have to feel what they want. Like my coach want to work hard to make me a better player, a better person, a better. When I'm today, I didn't. I didn't beat. I broke a racket, and I was feeling so frustrated because I felt the match in my hands, and in 2 minutes was in his hands. So that's tennis. But I have to think about the future. This match it's over, so I'm gonna prepare the US qualies. So I'm really excited because it will be my first slam, my first pro slam. So now I have a great future in front of me, and I have to take it.